This is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will show how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on it. So first you will need to connect your phone to internet, then launch the App Store. Here at the search bar, type in Chrome or Google Chrome, doesn't matter. The app will anyway pop up first in the results. Then in front of the app you can either have the same cloud icon as I do or get button. They practically are the same. So, well, I will not get into details on, or actually I will, why not? So the get button, you'll see if you haven't installed previously, gotten the Google Chrome app on the Apple ID that is currently signed into, you are signed into. In my case, I have previously installed this app on this Apple account. And well, if you have the get button, when you tap on it, it will not just start the download right away. Prior to doing so, you will need to confirm your purchase by either entering the passcode or performing the Face ID check. Anyway, once the Google Chrome browser is installed, you can go ahead and launch it. Here, there are a few preferences you can change or a few slight setup steps you need to perform, but as soon as you do them, you can start using the Chrome. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.